Welcome to the Mixture Grinder Guide, your ultimate handbook for this core kitchen appliance. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed purchasing decision. Let's begin with the technical essentials. We will focus on choosing the right power and motor specifications for longevity and reliable performance. Wattage is the power factor. 500 to 600 watts is ideal for basic tasks like chutneys and ginger garlic paste. 750 watts and above is recommended for heavy-duty cooking, like grinding tough spices and idli batter. The heart of the mixer is the motor windings. 100% copper motors offer superior conductivity and heat resistance, ensuring your mixer runs longer without overheating, giving you longer motor life and higher efficiency. The essential jar trio includes a chutney jar for fine pastes, a dry grinding jar for spices and cereals, and a wet grinding jar for batters and smoothies. Always look for high-grade 304 stainless steel for rust prevention. Blade engineering is crucial for precision and durability. High-quality 300 series stainless steel blades remain sharp for years. Specialized designs, like W-shape or serrated edges, create a vortex for a chunk-free grind. Safety and stability features include overload protectors, which cut power to prevent motor damage, safety locks, which ensure the jar is perfectly locked, and vacuum feet, which prevent the mixer from moving during heavy loads. A high-performance mixer is the silent hero of a productive kitchen, turning labor into art. For optimal utility, consider a 3+1 setup. This includes 3 standard grinding jars, plus a dedicated juicer jar with a mesh filter, covering all your culinary needs. Look for smart features like a pulse function for coarse grinding, speed controls for texture control, easy grip handles, and flow breakers to guide food back to the blades. There are different types of mixer grinders: the basic mixer, the juicer mixer with a juice extractor, and the compact high-speed bullet mixer for smoothies. For performance comparison, 500 watts is best for soft ingredients. 750 watts is universal for a standard kitchen. 1000 watts is ideal for tough spices, catering, and large families. Review the noise level comparison in decibels. Noise above 85 decibels can be disruptive. Consider silent models if you frequently use the mixer early in the morning. When prioritizing user features, motor power holds 40%, followed by build quality at 30%, noise level at 20%, and brand or warranty at 10%. The market trend is moving toward efficient motors, particularly the growth in the adoption of BLDC silent motors. Follow a maintenance schedule: daily jar cleaning, weekly wiping of the motor base, monthly deep cleaning of blades, and annual checks of carbon brushes and jar couplings for wear.